Today I wanted to give you a demo of the surface cleaner. What I used to do before to clean my surface was go with this attachment here, which is a turbo, and just go pretty much centimeter by centimeter, inch by inch. But then I was able to purchase this. I had some doubts, and I actually tried it out, and it works pretty good. And I wanted to show you guys how this thing works. That way, if you're considering purchasing one, it will save you a lot of time and effort. So let me get this on my gun, and we'll go ahead and start the demonstration. What I recommend you do when you first put it on is make sure that it's actually going to be clean the way it's supposed to. The first time I put this on, it wasn't turning. I noticed that there's a little adjuster there in the middle that you can tighten or loosen depending on how you need it. But the way you find out if it's working is you turn it on. If it starts to twirl, that means it's going, something like this. Alright, so that means it's working. It's going to be rotating and cleaning. And what we're going to do is I'm going to clean a section so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm just going to go straight down the middle. One of the things I did do before I did this was actually, if you notice, my surface area is wet. I actually washed it down, or I gave it a little bit of a cleaning with the regular 15-degree nozzle. Only because if there's debris on your surface, it can easily get caught up in this little propeller deal, and it can actually damage because it's just made out of plastic. Alright, so I would recommend you guys first clean it, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like as it's clean, and believe me, this will save you a lot of time and effort. Alright, here we go. Alright, so as you can see, I just went over that one section. Let me see if I can get out of the reflection a little bit. There it is, and look at how much cleaner that is. Now once it dries up, you'll get to see even more of a cleaning, the way it works when it cleans it out. Just one note, I am not using any type of detergent or any type of cleaner. I guess if you were to add some of that on top of that, that would actually make it more dramatic. But I mean, that's a pretty good clean right there. Let me do another row, another section. Let me get out of the reflection. I mean, so there you go. Can you imagine once that dries, that'll be nice and clean. Now, one of the things that it will do is that it will leave some debris behind. So what I had started doing was I would actually take that off, put the nozzle back, and then rinse the area. But I just, on one of the times that I was doing it, I just by accident turned this on, and I noticed that it's a good cleaner. So you can give it a little cleaning. And there you go. So that's my little demo on this surface cleaner. It will save you a lot of time and effort. Thanks for watching.